I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, PowerShell 7 or later and the Exchange Online Management module. Open an elevated PowerShell prompt and run install module Exchange Online Management. This gives you the CMDlets. Once installed, import the module so CMDlets are available. Make sure your account supports modern authentication and MFA is configured. You will be prompted interactively. If execution policy blocks scripts, temporarily set it to remote signed. This gets you to the first actionable connection step without delay. You now execute the connection. Run Connect Exchange Online user principal name your UPN and follow the MFA prompt. This establishes an authenticated session and obtains required tokens. If you need unattended automation, create an Azure AD app and use certificate-based app-only auth, then call Connect Exchange Online with certificate thumbprint and app ID. Once connected, run a simple verification like getTXO mailbox result size 1. This confirms permissions and connectivity. If results return, you're ready to run management CMDlets. You finish by cleaning up. Disconnect sessions using Disconnect Exchange Online Confirm, $false to free tokens and avoid throttling. Make sure to update the Exchange Online Management module regularly. Older versions can break CMDlets. If you encounter authentication errors, clear cached tokens by closing PowerShell entirely and reconnecting, because stale credentials often cause silent failures. For permission-denied errors, verify Azure AD roles and Exchange Admin RBAC. These final steps keep your sessions tidy and recover quickly when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.